Have you ever looked in the mirror in the morning and wondered why your face looks so soft? You hit the gym, you've got decent muscle, but your face is carrying this extra layer of puffiness that completely hides your jawline. Here is the brutal truth. Two guys can have the exact same body fat percentage, but one looks like he's carved out of stone, and the other looks completely doughy. The difference? It is not genetics. It's what they are putting into their bodies and the micro habits they do every single day. If you're tired of the double chin, the puffy cheeks, and looking heavier than you actually are, you click the right video. And listen closely. Do not click off before step 6. In step 6, I'm sharing a grooming and visual hack that will literally change your bone structure visually in about 5 minutes. It's a trick Hollywood actors use, and it's going to blow your mind. Let's start. Step 1. The 48-hour depuff. Step 1 is all about beating the bloat. Before we even talk about burning fat, we need to talk about water retention. Most of the fat you think you have in your face right now, it's just trapped water and inflammation. You can actually see massive results in this category in just 48 to 72 hours. Here's the American diet trap. We consume way too much sodium and highly processed junk. If you're hitting the drive-thru, eating out of boxes, or slamming energy drinks, your body is in survival mode. When your body is dehydrated, it panics. It holds onto every single drop of water it can find, and guess where it stores it? Right in your cheeks, under your chin, and under your eyes. To fix this, we are doing a complete hydration reset. For the next 30 days, you are drinking a gallon of water a day. But here is the biohacking secret. Don't just drink plain water. When you wake up, take a 32-ounce glass of water and put a pinch of high-quality Celtic or pink Himalayan sea salt in it. I know that sounds crazy, but processed table salt is terrible for you. But natural sea salt has essential trace minerals that pull the water into your cells instead of just passing right through your bladder. This is called cellular hydration. When your body realizes it's getting a steady stream of optimal hydration, it finally feels safe enough to let go of the water it's hoarding. Next, you need to flush out the bad sodium with potassium. Potassium is the ultimate face depuffer. For the next 30 days, I want you to make this exact smoothie every morning. 1 banana, a handful of spinach, half an avocado, and a cup of pure coconut water. It costs maybe $2 or $3 to make, but it acts like a literal vacuum for face bloat. Watch what happens to your jawline in just 2 days of drinking this. Step 2. The nutrition blueprint and the fork drop. Step 2 is where we tackle actual body fat. Let's clear the air. You cannot spot reduce fat. I don't care what some TikTok guru told you. Doing weird face yoga is not going to burn fat off your cheeks. But here's the amazing news. The face is almost always the very first place men and women lose fat when they enter a calorie deficit. When you drop even 3 to 5 pounds of pure fat, your cheekbones will start popping. To do this in 30 days, you need a slight sustainable calorie deficit. I'm not telling you to starve yourself. Starving yourself wrecks your metabolic rate, spikes your stress hormones, and actually makes your face look older and gaunter. Instead, optimize your nutrition. Lean meats, eggs, fruits, and veggies. Ditch the liquid calories. That $6 morning frappuccino is packing 400 calories of pure sugar that goes straight to inflammation in your face. Swap it for black coffee or green tea. Prioritize high-quality protein. Aim for about 1 gram of protein per pound of your goal body weight. Protein has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns calories just breaking it down, and it keeps you full so you aren't snacking on chips at midnight. And I'm going to give you my absolute favorite, foolproof exercise for fat loss. It's a secret technique. It's called the fork drop. You do it for 1 set to failure. Whenever you are sitting on the couch at 11 p.m., and you're about to eat a sleeve of cookies or a bowl of salty snacks that do not align with your goals, you perform the fork drop. Put the food down, walk away, and go drink a glass of water. Master this one movement, and I promise you will get shredded. Step 3. Building the frame. Step 3 is a total game changer that nobody talks about when it comes to face fat. It's the optical illusion. Look, your head size is your head size, but how big your head looks depends entirely on the frame it sits on. If you have narrow, slouched shoulders and a flat chest, your head is naturally going to look bigger and rounder in proportion. But if you build a wide, muscular upper body, specifically your shoulders, upper chest, and lats, you create a V-taper. This wider frame acts as a physical illusion that instantly makes your head look smaller, your neck look thicker, and your jawline looks significantly sharper. For the next 30 days, I want you hitting the gym or doing calisthenics 3 to 4 times a week with a focus on progressive overload. You need to be spamming lateral raises, build those side delts, do overhead shoulder presses, hit the pull-ups and the incline bench press, and combine this strength training with 2 days of HIIT, high-intensity interval training. We're talking 20 minutes of all-out sprints, battle ropes, or the Stairmaster. This combination of building the upper body frame while torching calories through HIIT will completely transform your silhouette. You're not just losing a chubby face, you are building an aesthetic, powerful physique that demands respect. Step 4. Facial posture and muscle tone. Step 4 is all about your facial hardware. If you are a mouth breather, you are literally changing the bone structure of your face for the worse. Mouth breathing causes your jaw to drop and recede, giving you that soft, double chin look even if you are skinny. You need to master your breathing and your tongue posture. Starting today, close your mouth, breathe exclusively through your nose, and practice proper tongue posture, often referred to as mewing. Here is how you do it. Close your lips, lightly touch your teeth together, and press your entire tongue flat against the roof of your mouth. Not just the tip of your tongue, the whole thing. This is the natural human resting posture. When you do this consistently, you are engaging the muscles under your chin, pulling everything tight, and supporting your jawline. On top of that, you can actually work out your master muscles, the chewing muscles at the back of your jaw. Stronger masseters give you that wide, masculine, square jaw look. You don't need weird rubber ball gadgets that ruin your teeth. Just buy some tough, sugar-free mastic gum. Chew it for about 20 to 30 minutes a day, alternating sides so you stay symmetrical. Over the next month, those muscles will grow, pulling the skin tighter and making your face look incredibly defined. Step 5. The cortisol and sleep connection. If you skip this, everything else we just talked about is completely useless. I'm talking about sleep and cortisol. We live in a hustle culture where guys brag about getting 4 hours of sleep. Bro, lack of sleep is destroying your face. When you are sleep deprived, your body pumps out a stress hormone called cortisol. High cortisol causes your body to store stubborn fat, breaks down muscle tissue, and causes massive water retention. You literally wake up looking swollen and aged. For the next 30 days, you are treating sleep like it is an investment in your health. Because it is. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of high-quality sleep. No screens 1 hour before bed. The blue light from your iPhone is absolutely destroying your natural melatonin production. One more pro tip. Sleep with your head slightly elevated using an extra pillow. This uses gravity to prevent lymphatic fluid from pooling in your face overnight, meaning you wake up looking fresh and chiseled, not like a puffy balloon. Step 6. The visual hack and the 30-day plan. While you're putting in the work with your diet, hydration, and training, you can visually alter your face shape today using grooming. Most guys get terrible haircuts that make their faces look rounder. If you have a soft jawline right now, do not get a haircut with a ton of volume on the sides. It makes your head look like a tennis ball. Instead, go to your barber and ask for a skin fade or a tight taper on the sides, with some textured volume on top. This creates an oval shape, elongating your face and making it look instantly slimmer. Next is the beard geometry. If you have a round face, you can literally paint a jawline onto your face with facial hair. Keep the hair on your cheeks trimmed low and neat. Trim a sharp, clean line just above your Adam's apple. This creates a shadow and an angle that mimics a chiseled jawbone. Listen to me, guys. 80% of how you look is completely in your control. Stop blaming genetics. Stop settling for average. You give me 30 days of extreme focus, following these exact steps, and I guarantee you will barely recognize the guy looking back at you in the mirror. If you got value out of this video, make sure to comment. It really helps the channel out. And I will see you in the next video.